I'm going to teach you how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos fast and free. So if you don't already know what Canva is, I suggest you check it out. The link will be in the description. It's canva.com. Canva offers a lot of opportunity for creating really cool graphics. You can download it and use it for free. There are paid pieces in there like clip art, but overall I'm going to show you real quick how to do this. So if you do thumbnails, you want to make sure your thumbnails look pretty legit when you're on YouTube. It's apparently the thing, right? So anyway, so what you're going to do is go to canva.com, which is right here. I'll put the link in the description. If you don't already have like a YouTube banner set up, you can literally go through all of the designs right here. You can do Facebook cover, Instagram, Twitter post, thumbnail for Tumblr. I don't know who's on Tumblr, but whatever. Anyway, resume, yearbook, desktop wallpaper. In my case, I have kind of a standard. I use this Beach Town Bella. I don't know what that is or where it is, but you can Google it. You can look for it in the template section. And I use a standard layout, which I just come to each time. So I leave my picture in here, which I upload through the uploader right here. You can upload your own photos, as you can see I've done here. And then you can go to your design. You can find elements if you need, photos. You can go through. Some of these are free, some of them are paid. You can see these are $1. You've got all sorts of graphics. You can pay the premium service, which is the upgrade. I just use this for free because, well, I don't use it that much. I just use it for the thumbnails. So I keep my photo right here. I keep my YouTube graphic here. I've got a subscribe button, and typically I'll just change out the text right here for each one of my thumbnails. I'll add a picture and I hit the download button, and boom, there it is. There's my PNG. It's going to say it's preparing, and I can customize that literally on the fly. It makes doing thumbnails a whole lot easier. So if that helps you out, I appreciate the like. Hit the subscribe button if you feel like you want to do so. And if you have any great tips or tricks that you want to share with the community, I will always love to hear them, and I will definitely share them. I respond to every comment that you post on here, and I appreciate you tuning in. Anyway, that's it. If that doesn't help you, tell me something that you think will. I appreciate it. Bye.